Alright, so we can now move on to the checkout. So by pressing this checkout button, we're redirected to the checkout where we have a quick summary of the order details from the shopping basket itself. So you have the products, price, and then the quantity, and then we have the total cost for this order. So now if you're logged in, the system will automatically fill in the first name and surnames for you, but you can obviously change these to whatever you wish. Now let's try and continue with PayPal. We cannot continue because these fields are required. So you have the phone number field, you have to fill this in. And then you have the collection, you can either be in store or delivery. It's up to the customer to choose. The address, let's say LSC, and then the city will be London, postcode, I'm not sure, the E10, yeah, 6EQ, and then let's say we have a delivery instruction, so let's just say leave at front gate. And then let's try commencing with PayPal. As you can see, we're now able to proceed with PayPal, and all of these error messages have disappeared. And you can also extend these boxes as well. The height is about 3 rows, so it fits in pretty neatly with the form itself. And after filling out the order details, now you can finally proceed with PayPal, and then you can place the order. Now, if you are logged in as a staff, let me show you. Logged in as a staff, we'll get to this in a bit, and refresh the page. Here you'll have a place order for staff. If the staff is logged in, this button will appear, and then you can place the order as a staff. And once you do that, I can fill this in. Address, city, postcode, and then the instructions, and then we can place the order. There you go, the order has been placed, and then we'll send you a confirmation email. So after the order has been successfully placed, this is for the admin order placement. As you can see, we just got the email, and we can check the email here. Order has been placed, and this is the email itself. I have the details. There's a bit of a bug here, but that's probably a character set issue. Here we have the tracking ID, collection, and yeah. Now this time we'll proceed with the PayPal payment. As you can see, payment, log in to PayPal, and then this is just the transaction procedure itself through PayPal. Complete the purchase. PayPal doing its thing. And now after the order has been placed, then here we have it. The order has been placed successfully. We've sent you a confirmation emails. Check your order page for more details. And since we've paid by PayPal, we now have a payment ID, unlike with the last email with the last order. Now we received the email just now. Order placed, and this is the exact same order that we placed for the admin as well. Now, since I've updated the database itself, here we have 2 in stock. We have 8 in stock, but now that we have placed those orders, these quantities should change. There you go, it's changed to 6, and this should change to 1. There you go. It's successfully being updated in the database. So now if we go and look at these orders themselves, here are the latest orders right here. These 2 that we just placed. One was the staff, the admin test pay here, which we've cancelled, and then here's the new order that we just placed, which is currently pending. Is here, as you can see, everything's up to scratch. The order state is here, and then we have the cancel order stuff. And yeah, and after you've placed the order, your shopping cart is obviously being cleared, and none of these entries are left remaining. And here are the order lines created for those 2 orders that we just placed. We have the order ID 23, 24, etc. As you can see, we have ordered ID 32, 32, 31, and 31. These are the 4 products that these are the 2 specific products that we bought, along with the quantity. And then for the other order, we also have those 2 products and their quantities, and we have the selling prices as well. So what happens if you try accessing the checkout page without having any items inside the cart? Well, you have an error that says fill up the shopping cart first, and then it redirects you after 3 seconds.